Hi guys, I trust you're good. Today, I'm bringing you tea masala for migraines and even cramps. Welcome. You need milk, 2 cups of milk, then sugar, cinnamon powder, or you can use cinnamon sticks, tea leaves, and ginger. Then I'm going to grate my ginger. It is here already grated, guys. Follow keenly and see how I do this. Welcome on board, guys. Thank you for always coming back. First of all, I boiled milk. After boiling milk, that's my style, guys. You can do as you know. After boiling the milk, I add in hot water because I had already boiled my water. It's time I add in water, hot water that is, and leave it to bubble again and add in tea leaves. After that, I add in cinnamon powder like this. After cinnamon powder, I add ginger, fresh ginger. You can use ginger powder and even tea masala if you have. Then you add sugar the way you want or for your preference. After that, I stir with my strainer because I want them to mix completely and form tea masala. Continue mixing like this until everything diffuses inside. You can see it's already done, guys. At this time, if you want it not so mild, you add tea leaves. But for me, I prefer it this way. I continue stirring as it bubbles. Let your tea bubble. Let it boil and boil and boil and boil. Let your tea boil. Cook it until you see the brownish layer on your sufuria or your cooking pot. That's the time you know the tea is ready. If it is not, if the layer is not there, it means the tea is not yet ready. So let it boil. Let your tea continue boiling even up to 10 minutes or so. Just let it boil. Let your tea cook nicely. Let all the components mix to each other finely. That's why we call it tea masala, guys. You see how it is? It's still boiling and boiling. Just be patient and let your tea cook. My tea is ready. It's time to sieve it. Ready to drink it so that it may cool down the migraines or strong and unstoppable headaches, even cramps and flu. If you have any of that, any of the issues that I've just mentioned, if you take this tea, it's going to neutralize everything. Then it shall be well with you. I'll serve with mandazi that I had previously prepared for breakfast. And also this tea is good for this cold weather. If the weather is so cold, just make this tea and it's going to fight the cold away. That is all for today, my friends. Thanks for following. Thanks for camping here to come back and watch my content. May God bless you so much, my returning subscribers. I love you so much. And if this video pops on your timeline for the first time, kindly consider subscribing.